To view your cell phone on your PC, you have to set it up first. So in Windows 10, you will click on the settings, system and projecting to this PC. Now I already done that, so this wireless display is already inside. So when I click here on settings, I go to system and projecting to this PC. Now you will get there something on how to add, and this is the add feature, and then you type in or you enter wireless display, you check the checkbox and you say install. It will take some time, and then after that you go back to your settings where you say projecting to this PC, and then you just say connect to app and blah blah blah. But now you have to make sure your setting on your cell phone is correct. Go to that, well, just follow the instructions on in the video. So then, when you are ready, you on your cell phone, you click that search for display devices, and when it's search, you click this launch on your PC, and on your cell phone you will get your PC name. Just click your PC name and click down on the start now, and then on your PC you will see the same what you see on your cell phone. As easy as that. Then you can continue in your cell phone and do the things you want to see. Enjoy.